If you use WordPress, this might be one of the biggest workflow upgrades you'll see this year. Imagine this for a second. Instead of opening WordPress and spending the next half hour clicking through posts, pages, plugins, analytics, settings, and forms, you just open Claude and say, show me my latest posts, compare my site to a competitor, build me a landing page, and create a report I can send to a client. And it actually does it. That's basically what just became possible. WordPress now has an official Claude connector, and I think a lot of people are seriously underestimating how big this is. This is the start of a very different way to work with your website. Instead of hunting through menus and doing everything manually, you can now connect your WordPress site to Claude and interact with it using normal language. You can ask questions, you can generate insights, you can create reports, you can build content, you can even set up things like forms and promotional elements. And the crazy part is, this is just the beginning. Right now, the connector already does some very useful things, but what's coming next is even more interesting. Being able to actually edit your site directly through Claude. And once that becomes normal, I think a lot of people are going to stop thinking about WordPress as a dashboard and start thinking about it as a conversation. So in this video, I'm going to show you what this is, how to set it up, and a few practical ways you can start using it right now. Let's start with the setup, because this is probably the part people overestimate the most. It's actually very simple. You don't need to be technical, you don't need to know code, you don't need to install 5 weird tools and watch a 2-hour setup tutorial. The first thing you need is Claude Desktop on your computer. It works on Mac and Windows, so just download it, install it, and sign in. Claude does have a free plan, which is enough to test things out. But if you end up using it a lot, you may eventually want Pro or Max, depending on how heavily you use it. Once Claude is installed, go to your WordPress account, open your profile, and on the left-hand side, you'll see an option called MCP. Click that, and then enable MCP tool access. That's basically the switch that allows WordPress to talk to Claude. After that, go back to Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, browse the available connectors, search for WordPress.com and click Connect. Approve the connection, and that's it. Your WordPress site is now linked to Claude. And once it's connected, you can start interacting with your website in simple English. That's what makes this feel so different. You're not learning a new complicated system. You're just talking to your site. Now, the first use case is very simple, but honestly really useful. You can ask Claude questions about your site. For example, you can say, list the last 5 posts I published, or what content was added recently, or what's changed on this site lately. This might sound basic, but if you work on websites regularly, even that saves time. Instead of clicking around trying to remember where something is, you can just ask. And once you realize that works, you immediately start thinking bigger. Because the really interesting part is not just information retrieval, it's strategy. One of the examples in the transcript was asking Claude to compare a website to a competitor and come up with an SEO plan. And that is such a smart use of this connector. Because instead of guessing what to improve, you can have Claude look at your site, compare it to another site in your niche, and help identify what you're missing, where your opportunities are, and what actions would actually make sense. And whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, creator, or small business, that's incredibly valuable. Now, let's talk about the more exciting side of this, actually creating things. One of the examples was asking Claude to build a landing page. And what's wild is that it created the page in one shot, a real landing page, not just rough copy, not an outline, not a list of suggestions, an actual page. Another example is asking Claude to create a beautiful contact form. And now it's not just making something that looks good, it's wiring it into the actual systems your website already uses. And I think that's where a lot of real value is going to come from. Not necessarily from one giant magical prompt, but from removing 10 annoying jobs that normally take way too long. Another example I thought was really impressive was using Claude to create a call to action promotion across multiple websites. Now this is where things get interesting if you manage more than one site. In this example, I asked Claude to create a promotion that would show up across 2 different websites. But it didn't just write the copy. It actually created a little workflow inside Claude where the promotion could be designed, assigned to specific sites, and even targeted to certain pages or posts. Because now you're not just using AI to generate content, you're using it to coordinate where that content appears across your WordPress properties. If you run multiple sites or manage sites for clients, that could save a lot of time. Instead of manually recreating the same campaign in different places, you can centralize the logic through Claude. Then we get into reporting, which might honestly be the most practical use case right now. One example was asking Claude to create an SEO report that could be sent to a client as a PDF. And if you've ever worked with clients, you already know why that matters. The hard part is often not getting the data. The hard part is turning the data into something clear, presentable, and professional. Claude helps with that. It can pull in information from a plugin like WP Remote, structure it into sections, and generate something that actually looks like a professional report instead of a messy collection of screenshots and notes. That's a huge time saver. Also, if you want to see a detailed video on how to use WP Remote and Claude to manage your site, then make sure to comment Claude down below and I'll show you all the possibilities. The same thing applies to accessibility audits. Claude was asked to audit the site for accessibility and create a report with actionable fixes. That's a great use case because accessibility is one of those things people know matters, but they often delay because they don't know where to start. A report that clearly outlines the issues and the next steps gives you direction immediately. And once Claude can help fix those issues too, that becomes even more useful. There's also a bonus example I really liked: activity reporting. I asked Claude to create a report of all the activity on the website, what changes have been made and who made them. And not only did it summarize the activity, it even created a pie chart to make it easier to understand. It takes the information already living inside WordPress and turns it into something easier to understand, easier to share, and easier to act on. So here's the bottom line. This is not really about AI replacing WordPress. It's about making WordPress easier to use. And even in this early version, that's already useful. But the bigger story is what happens next. Because once Claude can not only analyze your WordPress site, but actually edit it directly, that's when this goes from an interesting feature to a completely different way of working. If you use WordPress, this is absolutely worth trying. It takes just a few minutes to set up, there's nothing technical involved, and it gives you a completely new interface for working with your website. And if you want to learn how to optimize these websites and push them towards a 90+ page speed score, then click here and watch this video next.